Rumbi and Taffy, come along with me to the laboratory.
Thank you, Mr. Musendo.
Taffy, please explain ionic bonding.
In ionic bonding, sodium loses an ions that attract.
Thank you, Taffy. Rumbi, please, in your own words, explain ionic bonding between sodium and chlorine.
So, sodium loses an electron to chlorine, forming ions.
And that's what makes the bond?
Exactly, it's an ionic bond.
Welcome to Chem Plus. Today we're going to look at ionic bonding. A student asked me a question on ionic bonding. The first part of the question was, the diagram shows an atom of magnesium and an atom of chlorine. Before I reveal that diagram to you, please can you draw the dot cross diagram for magnesium and the dot cross diagram for chlorine. Pause the video and draw those two dot cross diagrams. Well done. Magnesium has got 2 electrons in the outer shell and chlorine has got 7 electrons in the outer shell. You are widely expected to do to demonstrate your understanding of the electron configuration for magnesium and the electron configuration for chlorine. Well done. Magnesium is 282, chlorine is 287. So this means magnesium has got 2 electrons in the outer shell and chlorine has got 7 electrons in the outer shell. It's in group 7. Now the actual question for the student was, describe in terms of electrons how magnesium atoms and chlorine atoms change into ions and produce magnesium chloride. The student was sweating about those 4 marks. Let's go. Magnesium has got 2 electrons in the outer shell, therefore magnesium transfers 2 electrons to chlorine, but chlorine is 287, which means chlorine only requires 1 to achieve the octet, the stable octet arrangement of electrons. So magnesium transfers 2 electrons to 2 chlorine atoms. Magnesium transfers 2 electrons to 2 chlorine atoms, and once magnesium has lost 2 chlorine atoms, oxidation, it forms 2 plus ions, and chlorine gaining an electron forms Cl minus 1, but we are going to have 2 of those, Cl minus 1, Cl minus 1. So loss of electrons by magnesium forms positively charged magnesium ions. Gain of electron forms negatively charged chloride ions. And once those positively charged ions and negatively charged ions are formed, we have a very strong force of attraction here. What do we call these forces of attraction between those oppositely charged ions? These are called electrostatic forces of attraction between the oppositely charged ions, and they attract each other to form a giant ionic lattice, which is magnesium chloride. I just hope that helps. So it's time to dance.
My brother absolutely loves Chem Plus tutors. His understanding of A-level chemistry has improved greatly. Thank you for all your support, Mr. Masendo.